Journalists in the SADC region need to undergo proper training and remuneration so that they meet international standards in reporting about SADC. This was said by the acting principal in the Ministry of ICT, Bhekithemba, Gama, during the 22nd Regional Adjudication Committee workshop held at the Royal Swazi Ezulwini. We have a report.
Adjudication committee members from different countries out of the SADC region are in Swaziland to adjudicate the work done by journalists from countries in the SADC region, mainly on goals of promoting regional and integration issues on regional importance. During the workshop, it was said that journalists play a vital and crucial role in promoting regional integration and sustainable socio-economic development. The director in the Ministry of ICT, Dube, says journalists need to be applauded and accorded the befitting incentives to encourage them in reporting regional issues without fear or favor.
So we meet yearly to adjudicate on stories. It could be radio, TV, or newspapers. And those stories, we normally pick one story from each category. That story is then sent to the next summit, and then the winners are announced during that. But in this particular meeting, we've decided to make it a week-long meeting because we'll also be reviewing the strategy, the communication strategy. You'll remember that during the last summit held at Lusita, the heads of states approved a proposal of a new communication strategy, which is meant to make SADC more visible. We'll also be reviewing our rules and regulations, or the rules for the competitions, because last year in Kasane we felt that there were certain loopholes, so they needed to be made at least watertight, so that we ensure that ultimately at the end we get the winners. We get very good winners, we get very good stories.
The committee is also expected to review the $2,000 prize money for the best reporting journalists in the competition to see if it was still adequate and come up with a proposal that would continue to motivate journalists to even go beyond the scope of duty. Reporting for Swaziland Television News, I am Kian MCB, Ezulwini.